Today I want to get some of the smaller interior parts I pulled out, cleaned up, and put it back in the car. It cleaned off good. I just used a all-purpose cleaner and some Mother's interior cleaner with some microfiber towels. The tail light covers will need to be repainted sooner or later. Maybe when it gets warm again, I'll take them back out. This was really dirty. Got another one of these. I'm trying to put that in the 280Z when I get a chance. This pad goes on the firewall on the inside. This is some Ozite padding I'm put on here. I'm gonna trace the old one off it to get a pattern, and I had two little pieces too that also had them. Just stick with some spray adhesive. The wire harnesses for the doors I want to rewrap, and some friction tape. I had a few packs of this left over from the 280Z wiring. Okay, one side's done. I'll do the same to the other side. I really like it. They're both wrapped up, looking pretty damn good. harness with the fresh wrap. The rubber seal almost looks new. I ditched the factory bowl system and I have these brackets to be able to use some 6.5-inch speakers. I can post a link to the description on these brackets. If you install it and send them some pictures, you get half your money back. There, installed. That'll work. Alright, this side's in. Gonna need a new weather stripping here. The old one ripped. I think I'm gonna use the Evo-R carbon fiber door panels. I have the LRBs, but I don't want to use those in this car. The handbrakes I'm going in the reverse order it came out, starting with the 10mm nut and then the 3 12mm bolts. It's installed in case I need to grab that and tie weld it. And there's the Matster thermal transmission plate. Kind of coming back into place. The rear harness is in. Next time I'll get the firewall pad in. Still cleaning it up to put the ozite padding on it. Fish those harnesses through. handbrakes in, thermal plate just sitting there. Speakers are in. Need to change these struts too. They stopped working for whatever reason. I'll wait till I'm done with the padding here before I put the brake and clutch pedals back in. Also going to delete the ABS unit. Start working on the 280Z next week and get videos of that up. I just need to finish some wiring, get the battery in. There's the wires. That's the washer reservoir from the RX-7. Try to put that in here and make that work. The lizard skin gun and reservoir clean up easily with water. I'll definitely be using this again on future projects. Until next time.